Okay. Okay, is there anyone who is still writing? If there is anyone who is still writing, then please use raise hand option and please do let me know. Ashita,
Yes, ma'am.
still writing?
Only 2 are there, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Write fast. Those who have completed, those who have finished writing, then start solving these questions. Those who have finished writing, start solving these questions. Yes, P. Kartika?
Ma'am, I didn't finish
How many questions?
one portion.
Okay, fine. Write down fast. Write down fast then. Yes, Krishika?
Ma'am, we don't have placements. We can write another page, ma'am.
Yes, you can write. Yes, Riti, unmute yourself. Tell me.
Ma'am, we have to write heading also.
I told you after writing written class work, you have to write revision.
Heading.
Fine, I think I gave you sufficient time. We'll start solving these questions now. Okay, so now your first question. This is 423 minus 115. 423 minus 115. So this is your revision, so we'll be doing it fast. Whenever we are subtracting 3-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers or 1-digit number, whenever we are subtracting numbers, we always start subtracting from the numbers in ones place. We always subtract the number in ones place first. Okay. So here also we'll subtract the number in ones place first. So in ones place we have here 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So first we will subtract this 5 from 3. But we cannot subtract this 5 from 3 as 5 is smaller than 3. So it is not possible to take away 5 from 3. So what we will do? We will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. Right? We will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So we will take borrow from here. We will cut this 2 because 2 is the number which is in tens place. So we will take 110 borrow from this 2. So we will cut this 2. This 2 will become 1. Whenever we are taking borrow, the number from which we are taking borrow, that number will become 1 less. Fine. So 1 less than 2 is 1, or you can say we will write the number which comes just before the number. So what comes just before 2? 1. So we'll write here 1. And since we are taking 110 borrow, so we will cut this number in ones place. We will cut this 3 and this 3 will become 13. We will write 1 before this number. So before this 3 we will write 1. So this 3 will become 13. And listen children, you people are not showing borrowing and cutting properly. You have to cut this number. Do not write this 1, 3, 13 as it is. You have to cut this 3 and then you have to write 13. Okay. Now from this 13, we have to take away 5. So what we will do? We will start counting after 5 and we will count till 13. After 5 and till 13. So we'll start counting after 5. So we'll be taking out our fingers. After 5, we'll count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers? 8 fingers. So this means 13 minus 5 is 8. So we will write 8 in ones place. Now we will subtract the number in tens place. In tens place now numbers are 1 and 1. So whenever you are subtracting a number from itself, you will get answer 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And now we will subtract the number in hundreds place. In hundreds place numbers are 4 and 1. So from 4, if you will take away 1, how many will be left? 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 308. Answer is 308, children. Right? So this is how you are going to subtract these numbers. Krishika, now you tell me next one. Second. Yeah. Now tell me what are the numbers in ones place. Krishika?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me what are the numbers in ones place. Second question.
ma'am, I'm seeing, ma'am.
Krishika, will you tell me? Dhriti, you tell. Dhriti Rati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what are the numbers in ones place?
Ones place.
Second question.
Second question. 641 and 137.
This is 641 minus 137. Fine, but tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
1,
1 and?
7.
Now tell me, is it possible to subtract 7 from 1?
No,
So what
ma'am.
we will do? Quickly tell me.
We will take borrow.
Okay, so we will take borrow from which number?
1, ma'am.
We will take borrow from 1. Wrong. That's wrong. Krishika, you tell me from where we will take borrow. Unmute yourself.
From one, from one, ma'am.
Okay, we will take 110 borrow from 1. And where is that 1 actually?
In tens place, ma'am.
In tens place 1 is there. Look at the question carefully, Krishika.
Ones place, ma'am.
Krishika, we have to take 110 borrow. Tell me from which number we will take borrow.
One, ma'am, we will take from borrow.
Okay. 1 is not there, but still we will take 110 borrow from 1. Shreyas Rao, you tell me from where we will take borrow. Shreyas Rao, unmute yourself. Yes, Krishika.
Ma'am, from 6.
From 6. Wrong. This is how you all are paying attention. Huh? Krishika and Dhriti, you both don't even know that from where you have to take borrow. What is this? Yes, Aryan.
I know, ma'am.
Tell me.
4.
Yeah, very good. That's correct. So we will take 110. Krishika and Dhriti Rati, now pay attention. So we will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place, and in tens place number is 4. So what this 4 will become, Aryan?
3.
Yeah, so children, we will cut this 4. So this 4 will become 3. And what this 1 will become?
11.
Very good. So this 1 will become 11 now. So we will cut this 1 and we will write 11 here. Now tell me 11 minus 7 how much?
4.
Very good. So 11 minus 7 is 4. We will start counting after 7 and we'll count till 11. Very good. And 3 minus 3?
0.
0. Very good. And now we will subtract the number in hundreds place. So 6 minus 1?
5.
5. Very good. So answer is 504.
4.
Very good, Aaron. Very good. Yes, Advaita. Yes, Advaita. Advaita, you are raising your hand. Do you have any doubt? Yes, yes, Krishika. Yeah.
The second question I wrote wrong question, ma'am. So I want to tell third one, ma'am.
Now, Krishika, next time. Now I'll ask other children. See, that's why I'm telling you everyone. I'm telling you every time that you have to note down correct question. Okay, I'll get back to you.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Now next. Yes, children. So now next question. Your next question is 762 minus 152. So this is 762 minus 152. So now we'll solve this. Are there, you tell, are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place? In third
2,
question.
ma'am.
2 and
2.
2 and 2. So tell me.
2, 2.
Yeah. 2 minus 2 how much? Quickly.
0, ma'am.
Very good. 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 6 minus 5?
1, ma'am.
Okay. And 7 minus 1?
6, ma'am.
What is the answer?
610, ma'am.
Very good, Adya. That's the correct answer. Very good. That's the correct answer. Now, next fourth one. Ashita, you tell me fourth one quickly. What is the question?
463 minus 156.
Okay, fine. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
Ones place, there's 3 and 6.
3 and 6. So now tell me, is it possible to take away 6 from 3?
No,
So what we'll do?
borrow.
From where?
6.
Very good. So see here. Okay, so we have to take 110 borrow from the number in tens place, and we have started our first revision, and you have to write it down in your notebook. Wait, Ashita. Huh? Yes, Bilbika?
Ma'am, write in notebook or
Yes,
course book.
you have to write it in your notebook. The first revision. Yes. So this so Ashita, tell me what the 6 will become quickly.
6 will become 5.
Very good. 6 will become 5, and what this 3 will become in ones place?
13.
Yeah,
13,
we will cut
ma'am.
this 3 and we will write 13. So now tell me 13 minus 6 how much?
7
Very good. 13 minus 6 is 7, and 5 minus 5?
is 0.
0, and 4 minus 1?
Is 3.
Very good. So what is the answer?
307.
Okay, it's 307 or 307. Very good, Ashita. That's the correct answer. And children, remember this thing that we take borrow only if the number which we have to subtract is smaller than the number from which we have to subtract that number, right? Okay, next. Tanishka. Tanishka, unmute yourself and tell me next one. Fifth question. Read that question quickly.
373, 149. Yeah, 8.
Who will read this symbol? 373 minus 148. Now read it properly.
373 minus 148.
Yeah, now it's correct. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
38.
3, 8. Okay, so now you tell me, is it possible to subtract 8 from 3?
No, ma'am.
So what we'll do?
We should borrow from tens.
Okay, so now we'll take borrow from the number in tens place. So now tell me what is the number in tens place?
7 and 4.
From which number we'll take borrow?
7.
7. So we'll cut this 7. So this 7 will become?
6, ma'am.
The 7 will become 6. Okay, fine. And what this 3 will become in ones place?
We should borrow 3 and we'll get 13.
We will cut 3 and we'll write here 13. Okay, so now tell me 13 minus 8 how much? Yes, start counting after 8 and count till 13. Tanishka, how much?
9,
Yeah,
10, 11, 12, 13. 4, 5, ma'am.
5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Very good. And 6 minus 4?
2, ma'am.
2. Very good. And 3 minus 1?
2, ma'am.
What is it?
200.
200 and
225.
225. Very good. That's the correct answer. Very good. Okay, so now next. Aditya Ram, you tell me next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sixth question. Tell me. Sixth.
564.
Then
554 minus 233.
this is 564 minus 233. Okay, fine. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
There is a 4,
4 and
3.
3. Okay, so now tell me, is it possible to take away 3 from 4?
Yes.
Yes, very good. See children, here it is possible to take away 3 from 4 because 3 is less than 4. Fine. So now tell me 4 minus 3 how much? ABK Ganesh, sit at one place. Yeah, 4 minus 3? Aditya,
4 minus 3, 1.
very good. And 6 minus 3?
3.
Very good. And 5 minus 2?
3.
And what is the answer now?
331.
Very good. Answer is 331. That's the correct answer. Now next, Ashwita Nalla, you read next question.
Okay, ma'am. 843 minus 300 and
Yeah. Ashwita, very good. Minus?
329.
Very good. So now tell me what is in what are the numbers in ones place?
3 and 9.
Okay, so numbers are 3 and 9. So now tell me, is it possible to take away 9 from 3?
No, ma'am.
So what we'll do?
Borrow 4.
We will take borrow from 4. From 4. Okay, so now tell me what this 4 will become?
3, ma'am.
Yeah, we will cut this 4 and this 4 will become 3. And what this 3 will become in ones place?
1, 3, 13, ma'am.
1, 3, 13. Very good. So now tell me 13 minus 9 how much?
Ma'am.
Yeah, start counting
4.
after Yeah, very good. 13 minus 9 is 4. And 3 minus 2?
1.
Very good. And 8 minus 3?
5.
5. So what is the answer?
514.
Very good. Very good, Ashwita. So answer is 514. That's the correct answer. Very good. Now next. Pathan, read next question. Question number 8.
635 minus 228.
Okay. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
1, 2.
5 and 8, ma'am.
5 and 8. So now tell me, is it possible to take away 8 from 5?
No, ma'am.
So what we'll do?
We'll borrow from 10th place.
Okay. So now what is the number in tens place?
3 and 2.
So from where we will take borrow, from which number?
From 3.
Okay. So what this 3 will become now? We will cut this 3 and this 3 will become?
2.
This 3 will become 2. Very good. And what this 5 will become in ones place?
15.
Good. So we will cut this 5 and this 5 will become 15. Okay. So now tell me 15 minus 8, how much? Start counting after 8 and count till 15.
Ma'am, 7.
7. Very good. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 2 minus 2?
0.
0. And 6 minus 2?
6 minus 2.
Take out your 6 fingers and then remove 2 fingers. Yes, Pathan?
4.
4. Very good. Now this is the correct answer. Answer is?
407, ma'am.
Very good. So answer is 407 or 407. That's the correct answer. Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes. AVK Ganesh, you read next question. AVK Ganesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read next question quickly.
538 minus 327.
Okay, good. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
8 and 7.
Okay, so now tell me, is it possible to take away 7 from 8?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me 8 minus 7, how much?
0.
0? Wrong. Take out your 8 fingers and from those 8 fingers remove 7 fingers quickly and then tell me. Yeah, tell me.
1, ma'am.
Yeah, it's correct. 8 minus 7 is 1 and 3 minus 2?
3 minus 2. 1.
Okay, and 5 minus 3?
5 minus
Take out
2,
your
ma'am.
5 minus 3, 2. So what is the answer?
211.
Very good. So answer is 211. That's the correct answer. Good. Yeah. Devansh, you read next question. Question number 10. Devansh. Devansh? Devansh, are you there? Not there. Supratik, you read next question. Supratik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read question number 10 quickly.
Ma'am.
Question number 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Six. Six.
No.
Six minus 4.
No. I said read question number 10. This is 446. Now read it.
6 not cut 9, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, that's why take borrow.
Supratik, I have asked you to read the question. Fine, I'll read it for you. This is 446 minus 219. Okay, so fine. It's not possible to take away 9 from 6. So what we'll do? Supratik, what we will do?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
take the borrow.
Okay, so from where we will take borrow?
4.
Okay, so what this 4 will become?
3.
Okay, so we'll cut this 4 and this 4 will become 3. And what this 6 will become?
6 become 1, 6. 16.
Okay, so this 6 will become 1, 6, 16. So now tell me 16 minus 9 how much? Start counting after 9 and count till 16. Tell me fast. Supratik, quickly. Yes, I'm waiting.
7, ma'am.
And 3 minus 1?
3 minus 1. 2, ma'am.
And 4 minus 2?
2 only, ma'am.
Huh?
2, ma'am.
So answer is 227. 227 now. Yeah, fine. Aslan, you read next question. Question number 11. Aslan.
620.
Yeah.
375.